Two stocks, same average price all month. One barely moved. The other swung wildly. The average alone cannot tell them apart. So measure the spread. Average each distance from the mean, and you get exactly 0. The values above always cancel the ones below. So throw away the minus signs. Distance has no direction. Now the numbers add up instead of canceling out. That is mean absolute deviation. 3 steps. Find the average. Measure every absolute distance to it. Then average those distances. Say the closest are 10, 12, 11, and 15. The average is 12. The distances are 2, 0, 1, and 3. Average them, and you get $1.5, the same unit as the price, which is why you can read it straight off. Standard deviation answers the same question differently. It squares each distance first, then takes a square root at the end. And squaring is not neutral. One wild print is half of the mean deviation here, but 4/5 of the variance. So they are not interchangeable. On a normal bell curve, mean deviation is about 80% of standard deviation. Markets are not normal. Now the dangerous part. Median absolute deviation shares the same abbreviation. Different center, different maths, completely different behavior. Mean deviation centers on the average, so one wild print drags the center and every distance with it. The median version does not. You meet it inside the commodity channel index. Price distance from its own average divided by a constant times mean deviation. And watch the flat window. If every value equals the average, mean deviation is 0, and anything dividing by it explodes. So declare your center, your window, and your 0 policy. The fintechbuilder.com covers momentum, volatility, and outlier filters. Most people reach for standard deviation without ever asking why. Subscribe, and you will know when the simpler one is better.